Hello, and welcome back to another beautiful day in the neighborhood. It is very sunny outside and partially cloudy, but it is nice out, and I have to move the car over there probably so that we can use this whole driveway for filming. The Evo's in the garage, and then we're gonna have Evo. Maybe we will have Carlos WRX here as well, so we'll see. But yeah, it's gonna be an exciting day today. Let's get today started. One thing I do enjoy about these Fords is this keyless entry. Super nice. Didn't even need to pull out the key for that, but I just wanted to show you guys that key. And then it's hybrid, so uses a lot of electricity instead of gas most of the time, so it's super quiet. Not like my whoop race car. Reverse. And it's got a backup camera. What? Super nice. I'm just gonna park over there. Yo, I got a package from Eliminate? What? Be humble. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open. I ordered some flight tags. And, okay, I'm gonna put you guys down. You guys know the drill. Can't do anything with one hand, honestly. Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. I got it! Look at this. We got the cream and pink. That was supposed to match my car, but now I don't have the car. But I still like that color. It's really nice. And then we've got the black and pink, which is gonna match something else, I'm sure. Look at these fools showing up at my house like that. Stacked. We got another Evo out here. Waiting on Jasmine, but Carlos has his ST as well. Sweet. Sheesh. Alrighty, so there's something wildly wrong about how they mounted this. So this should not be broken, obviously. This tab should not also be broken, and it was just screwed to this seat bolt with like a stack of washers. And yeah, it snapped. It was really poorly done. So we're gonna take out these harnesses and make them safe again, because that was no bueno. Yo, we're taking the boys over to Mod Pizza because they're kind of hungry. But look at this thing. This thing is JDM as fuck. It's right-hand drive and everything. Yo, that thing's sweet, man. Out here at Mod Pizza with the boys, but what the hell is this, bruh? What the hell is this, bruh?
What are you talking about?
Look at this. They're all, look, on the line. What do you mean?
It's fine.
It's fine. She's fire though.
I was so scared of hitting the curb.
Yeah.
But I'm filming.
Oh, dude, you got so much space. What are you talking about? Let me know.
But like just coming in here, I was like...
Oh, yeah, definitely. Sheesh, some 9s out here. Got the Audi right there. And I think the RS is over there. Guys, tell me, who goes to Mod and gets a pepperoni and jalapeno pizza with all the pepper flakes in the world on it? He's still going. Are you using all of those?
100%.
You're wild. Ray's not any better. This one's even tinier. Ruben's behind me, Jasmine's behind me, everybody's behind me right now. We got the whole squad. Oh, whole squad back here. Yeah.
That's why I was trying to get you.
Yo, we back out here with all of the cars. This is pretty wild, isn't it? Yo. Evo's stacked in the driveway. We've got an Audi. We've got this Ford. I think it's a Focus RS. But damn, bro. Stacked. God, it's so clean now. Jeez. Woo. Another day, another Philip. You guys already know. Yo, we showed up to the meet. There's cops all over the place. I guess we're not gonna be meeting here today. Cops are like, nah fam, we can't stay here. So that is unfortunate, but no, it is what it is.
I don't know.
Why? Why do you do this? Oh, god damn. I could not do that. My knees would hurt a lot after doing that. Holy shit. We made it to Krispy Kreme, and the line is too long, and I'm not willing to wait through that, so it's fine. We're gonna go home now. Alrighty. Tire debeated. Put your whole fucking hand in there. Yeah, that shit's fucked. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out now. God damn it.
We could actually just throw one of these on.
Alrighty. It's pretty late at night now, but I have my center console out. Yeah, all that blue stuff, it's kind of like candy or something. It's very sticky, but hot water does the trick. Just gonna give it a little bit more, rinse this thing out, and then I should be able to use this now, which is awesome because I have not been able to store anything in my glove box or the center console component, and it's been kind of awful. Yeah. Well, I've got some work to do. It is currently 1 a.m., I think. Yeah, so I'm going to take out that and put in these just to see how they fit. And then I'm going to put those on the S2000 tomorrow so that we can sell the S2K. Because I kind of do want to keep the other wheels. So then we'll just swap tires on the S2K wheels and we'll call it a day. I've got one on. It pokes like mad. So I'm probably going to have to camber a little bit just to run these. Or maybe I'll leave it. I don't know. Hopefully I won't have any rubbing issues, but it probably will just because of... I mean, look at that poke. That's crazy. Alrighty, so I've gotten her all cleaned up on the inside and everything. It looks pretty good. I actually had to take off the spacers. There were some spacers on all four corners that poked them out like Maxi poke. Like, it was out here. So actually the fronts are fixed now. They all look good. So we are clearing, kind of... I mean, this stretch kind of helps a lot, so it might camber in a little bit whenever it goes down and not hit as much. I've noticed this little kind of discrepancy in the, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but that needs to be pulled out just a little bit. And yeah, we got those red tails in today, which look amazing. I really like these red tails. I think I'm going to do a little bit of tin on there. And then, yeah, the wheels are on. Looks alright. I don't know. I kind of like the white, kind of like the gold better, but maybe we'll put the S2K wheels on here and have it all black. But yeah, just because of that D-bead, we need to get new tires. But everything else, I mean, look at that ducktail. Ooh, just glimmering right there. Super nice. You got the red bar in, as well as off camera, I did all four harness bars. Here, you guys know what those look like. Or the harnesses. I did not mean to say all four harness bars. 4 harness bars? That'd be insane. But yeah, that's pretty much it.